5 interesting Earth facts for you today. Starting with number 5 on our countdown. Seas could rise 2.5 feet by 2100. We are headed towards a 2-foot sea level rise by the end of the century. Climate scientist Tapio Schneider of Caltech tells Popular Mechanics. Consequences from a 1 to 2 foot sea level rise could mean severe threats to low-lying islands, nations, loss of narrow, shallow beaches, and a decline of marine ecosystems. Number 4 on our chart today is earthquake weather is a myth. Each culture has its own version of earthquake weather to rationalize when and where an earthquake will happen. Seismologist Dr. Lucy Jones of Caltech tells Popular Mechanics, earthquakes are below the surface and need a constant fault to happen, and this has nothing to do with the weather. And number 3 on our countdown, life below the sea floor. The sediments underlying Earth's oceans are home to microorganisms existing at depths as great as 2.5 kilometers below the seafloor. The majority of the deep seafloor biosphere grows extremely slowly relative to life on the surface. Number 2 on today's countdown, Earth is radioactive. In total, Earth generates as much as 40 terawatts of heat, half of which comes from radioactivity, decay in its core. According to a 2011 study, scientists measured particles called anthneutrinos that streamed up from Earth's core and found that half of Earth's heat is generated through the radioactive decay of certain elements. That was a mouthful. Number 1 in today's countdown, Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. Within uncertainty, the temperature at the center of the Earth is at the same temperature as the surface of the sun, 5800 K. Caltech geochemist Paul Asimov tells Popular Mechanics at about almost 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot! Subscribe, like, and share, y'all. Love you. On a more personal note, thank you for listening as I work through my speech therapy.